How to resize photo to Instagram square size on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can resize photo to Instagram stories or square size on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. For that, first of all, you could simply open up Instagram application, make sure that you're logged in. Now navigate to the bottom of this interface, tap on the plus icon to create a post. From these options here, head towards the post. So once you're here, now what you have to do is select the image that you would like to resize. Once you select it, so by default Instagram will automatically crop your image to the Instagram square size, as you can see. But if you want to go with its default size, then you have to tap on this arrow icon that you see on this interface just at the top of this tab that says recent. At the top there is this arrow icon. If you tap on it, that's gonna take you to the default image size. So right now you could simply select this Instagram square size and then post it. But if you don't want to use this feature, if you want to go with your device built-in feature, then go to your gallery, open up the image and head towards the crop. After that, you have to set the ratio of that image to 9:16 for the Instagram square size, and then you could save that image. That's the way to resize photo to Instagram square size on Android, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.